Hey YouTube, so today I'm gonna show you how you can install beta profile on your iPhone to get the iOS 13.4 version. So first of all guys, you have to do is open up Safari and from there go to ioslift.com. As you can see, once you are at the website, just hit the three dots over here and scroll down, go to iOS profile download. So click on that. Once you have clicked on that, as you can see here it says iOS 3.1.1 beta, just click on that. These all are the same profiles for the updated version. So once the profile is installed, just close up Safari, go back, go to your settings, go to general, then go to profile, and from profile hit that iOS 13 beta software. So just click install, just add your password, and once you have done that, just click on agree, click install, and just restart your phone. And once you have restarted your phone guys, just go back. From there you go to software update, and once the software update you have done, you will get iOS 13.4 on your iPhone. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and also like this video. Bye.